Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I have a lazy 147A amplifier on my desk today. So this is my project. I've evaluated the wire wound resistors here. Found these are 8 ohm resistors. This one is good, and this one is bad. So I'm getting ready to replace it with this resistor. Also, this 8 ohm 5-watt resistor here is bad. So I'll replace it with this one. Put that right there. And then there's a 270 ohm resistor here. And so I didn't have any of those in my supply cabinet, so I had to special order that. So they should be here in a couple of days. Where is it? Thursday, Friday. They'll be here Friday. And I'll replace that one. The main problem that this amp is having is that the input plug here, all of the pins are loose. See there. So I have this input plug here that I'll install. So I'll remove this one and install the new input connector. And then this amp should be refreshed. And I'll be able to return it to the client, hopefully by Saturday. All right, so until the next video, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Doing what I do. I've already wiped clean the chassis here. It was very dirty, so I cleaned that up using some of these scrubs in a bucket. Great product. All right, so until the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.